Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to trade options on the Robinhood app. I'm basically going to be explaining what's the difference between a call and a put, and whenever I call something out in the group, you guys can have a better understanding of why it's a good, trade or why not. So, right now I'm doing a voiceover, so I'm basically, talking. I'm waiting on the video, but this was one of the plays I did on Friday. I called it out, and as soon as I called it out, it just skyrocketed. So let me explain how I did this, right? Whenever I went into my position, right now I'm showing you guys, whenever you're holding like an option, you can always see what your position is, what your current like price is, and what your average cost is, basically when you bought in. Keeps you informed on what you're actually doing. So let's go into the option now. Whenever you want to trade an option, you're always going to go into the stock, right? You're going to view it, then you're going to trade options. Now this is a call, and this is a put. This is basically explaining that whenever I say a call, that means the price is going to go up, in my theory, right? And whenever I call a put out, that means the price is going to go down. So whenever you're looking at a expiration date, the longer the expiration date, the higher the price of the contract is going to be. But this is just because you have a safer chance of trading it, since the price can hit that in the longer run. So now, whenever you get into this page, you always want to hit on the right side where it's a little chart, and that's going to take you to this page where it's basically showing the bid, the ask, and the volume. Also, you want to pay attention to the Greeks. The Greeks is the most important thing when trading an option, because the theta and the delta to me mean the most, because whenever you're looking at the theta, you see what you're going to be losing for that contract for every day that you hold it, and then the delta is going to be what you're going to be gaining for every dollar that it goes up. All right, so you can go back in the video and see what each one correlates to. But right now I'm just basically explaining, showing what you can see the Greeks too within your contract. Once you already buy it, you don't have to go through that little page. But now I'm going to show you guys like how to get into a different option, not one that I'm currently holding. So I'm going to use Disney. All right, you see how I hit on the trade options? I'm looking at a call and a put. So I'm going to show you guys the expirations, how the price changes as it goes up. You could see the price and difference of the contracts. Also, now whenever you get into this page, you hit on the right side. You see the bid, the ask, the volume, and then you see the Greeks. And from here, the Greeks, they always tell you what you can do. But always keep in mind that the same thing's going to happen with a put. You can go look in it, and the Greeks are going to be different for each thing, and the volume is going to be different. So basically, whenever you see good volume, stuff like that, it's gonna signify like a good trade or good opportunity in my eyes. So that's how you trade options. I wanted to make this video quick and explainable.